How to create a new board on monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a new board on monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. And once you log in, you can see that you'll be redirected here on this homepage, and there are the boards that you're working on this specific homepage. You can open any board you want. You can change the workspace as well if you want, but in order to create a new board, what you need to do is you need to click on this plus icon right here, and you can create a new board, new document, dashboard, form. You can check the install apps that you have, completely up to you, but you need to click here on this arrow and then click on new board. Now you can start a new board with a template as well if you want. The beauty of monday.com is that monday.com gives us a variety of amazing form of templates that we can use in order to suit, the board that we are working on. And that's the most beautiful thing about it. And furthermore, we can also create a board from the scratch. Here you go. We can name the board. For example, let's name it AAA1. And we could name it, we can keep it as our main board, or we can keep it as our private board. That's completely up to us. We can make it a shareable board as well. That's also up to us. And select what you're managing in this board. We can select whether we are managing items, items of our company, the assets, the budgets, if you're handling employees, if you're handling campaigns, any leads, projects, tasks, clients, and creatives, completely up to us. Or we can also add a custom, table as well. That's completely up to us. And if we click on create board, then the beauty of monday.com is that it's going to create a board for us in just a second. Let's just reload. Okay, monday.com is currently not working, but it's going to work after some time. But that's the main thing. That's the main way of using monday.com and creating a new board. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.